Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really simple, quick and easy Christmas themed bullet journal monthly plan with me video. I'm not even going to voice over the whole thing. I'm just going to quickly introduce it now and then you can enjoy the quick video. Basically for this month I was really busy and wanted something nice and easy that wouldn't take me too long. And I had actually just launched 8 Christmas card designs. I will link it down below if you want to check it out on my Etsy. But seeing as I spent so long designing all those Christmas cards and already drawing a bunch of Christmas themed characters and references and things, I thought I would just create some stickers using those drawings and put that in my journal. So I used my new printer I got and my Cricut machine and created some stickers and then basically just used those, as you will see in this video, in pretty much every spread, and then kind of just drew around it to make it fit in, which I think actually worked out really well. So yeah, check out my Etsy if you want to have a look at the cards, or follow me on Instagram at Handmade by Jess Lee. And if you are interested in even purchasing some Christmas stickers, if that is something that you think I should list as well, let me know. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and let me know if you end up recreating any of these spreads. And as always, follow me on Instagram at Handmade by Jess Lee to see more spreads like these. Thank you so much again for watching, and subscribe and like this video if you liked it, as it really means a lot to me and means I will continue doing videos like this. And I hope you all have a happy and safe holiday season, whatever you celebrate. And I will see you here for my next video, hopefully. Thanks guys. Enjoy.